Welcome to the quick tutorial of how to create custom lettering in Adobe Illustrator by using Blend tool. Let's go to our screen and open Adobe Illustrator. Go to the toolbar and select the ellipse tool. Select the circle, hold the Alt key and make the duplicate. Select both the circle, then click on the Blend tool, then click on first and then second one. Go to Paintbrush tool and start writing letter with single stroke. Select everything. Go to Object. Click on Blend, replace spine. Again click on Blend tool. Select specified steps, increase the steps and OK. Congratulations! You have created your custom font by using Blend tool.